Good morning, students. Take out your practice book. Lesson 10. The Crow's Nest. The Crow's Nest. You have read this lesson in English Reader book. Okay. Now, worksheet 1. In lesson 12, The Crow's Nest, all the animals come to see the fight. There are so many animals in the jungle. So all the animals come to see the fight. Choose the correct word from the help box which describes each animal and write it under each picture. Okay, there are 5 animals and you will write the appropriate word for each. Okay, today we will do describing words. Earlier you have done doing words, but today we will do describing words. What are describing words? All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Just like you are Rahul. Rahul is naming word and Rahul is a good boy. Which word describes you? Good. Yes, good. So good is describing word because good describes you. Okay, so read it again. All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Okay, now we will read the words in the help box. Naughty, black, big, clever, soft. Now these words describe these animals. Okay, so we will write correct word for each animal. Okay, first is done for you. A big elephant. Elephant is big and big word describes the elephant. How is the elephant? Elephant is big. What is this? Monkey. Okay, which word describes monkey? Naughty. Very good. A naughty monkey. Okay, a naughty monkey. Okay, what is this? Rabbit. Which word describes rabbit? Soft. Very good. Soft. A soft rabbit. Rabbit. What is this? Fox. Very good. Fox. Which word describes fox? Fox is clever. Yes. A clever fox. Bear. What is this? This is a bear. What is this? Bear. Okay. Which word describes bear? Black. Bear is black. Okay. A black bear. Okay, now we will read it again. A big elephant, a naughty monkey, a soft rabbit, a clever fox, a black bear. Okay, these words are describing words. Big, soft, naughty, clever, black. Okay. Question number 2. work with your partner. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using words from the help box. Okay, we will read the words from the help box. Hot, old, fat, heavy, beautiful, red. Okay, these words are describing words. Describing words. These words describe the things. Okay, we will see. Number 1, Shweta picked up a dash bag. Yes, how is the bag? Heavy bag. Heavy bag. You can see heavy bag. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy bag. Mrs. Sharma is an dash lady. Old. Very good. Old. Old lady. Old describes this lady. Rahul is a dash boy. Yes, see the picture? Fat, fat. Yes, Rahul is a fat boy. Fat boy. Ayush likes to drink dash milk. Milk. Which word describes milk? Hot. Hot milk. Hot milk. My uncle brought a dash dress. Yes. No? Blue? No, 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 no. There is no blue in the help box. See the help box? Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? You will write here beautiful dress. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Beautiful dress. Okay. I gave dash flowers to my mother. This is very simple. You can see here. Red flowers. Very good. Red flowers. Now these words are describing words. Okay. Worksheet 3. Read about Gitu. This is a girl and her name is Gitu. And underline the words which describe her. Okay. We will underline the describing words. Okay. This is Gitu. Is there any describing word? No. No, there is no describing word. Gitu is naming word. Gitu is the name. So, Gitu is naming word, not describing word. Okay. So, we will not underline any word. She is tall and thin. Yes, there are two describing words. Tall, thin. These two words describe Gitu. She has long black hair. Yes, long black. These words describe her hair. Okay. She is 8 years old. How old is she? 8 years. So 8 years. We will underline 8 years. She has chubby cheeks. Underline chubby. Chubby describes her cheeks. Okay. She likes to sing and play. Yes. No, no, no. No sing, no play. There is no describing word. These are doing words. Doing words. Sing, play. Doing words. There is no describing word. Okay? So we will not underline any word. She is a sweet girl. Sweet, sweet, sweet girl. How is she? She is a sweet girl. Okay? Now, last question. Now, paste the picture of your best friend in the box given below. Write a few lines on him or her. Okay? So, you cannot paste the picture of your friend because you are not meeting your friends, so you can't collect the photo. So we will not paste the picture. We can't paste the picture, we can say. Okay. Now we will write 5 lines about my best friend. Okay. You will write the name of your best friend. Any name you can write. Who is your best friend? Everyone has different best friend. Okay, so you will write the name of your best friend here. Okay, so now you can write here Rahul is my best friend. But you will write here your best friend's name. Okay. Second line. He is 6 years old. 6 years old, 7 years old, 8 years old, whatever it is, you can write. Number 3. He lives near my house. Next line is he is very kind and helpful. I like him very much. You can write any line. Okay, you can write he is very intelligent. He is very good at nature. Okay, so you can write any 5 lines. If a girl is writing, then she will write her, she. Okay, and when a boy is writing, then he will write he or him. Okay, we will read it again once. Rahul is my best friend. He is 6 years old. He lives near my house. He is very kind and helpful. I like him very much. Okay? Now you will do all this work in your practice book. Okay? Thank you.